Ring of 57 YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be edited using the apparent video editing software that comes with my phone. So we're going to see how rough this is. It doesn't seem to have a lot of bells and whistles, no transitions, none of that fun. But we're going to quick go over Suzy Q where we're at. We are at a point where we're just waiting for some pigtails and we will be ready to rock and roll. As you saw from the last video, we got some pops and bangs. We got a whole lot more than that today. So let's move forward. Alright guys, and as you can tell, I still do not have the RSR module wired up. However, I do have pigtails on it. It's ready to plug and play. And the power distribution, these need extended to reach all the way up to the fuse box. We still do not have our injectors. This wire has got to replace the red wire because I ran it the wrong direction and cut it too short. So we're going to run our ignition power out this side, down and around, up and down and into this fuse box. Get it, got it good. All that good jazz. What else do we have that's not wired? We have some wire here to extend the RSR to the shift solenoid. I did realize the other day that I have this shift solenoid plumbed wrong. So it's supposed to be source. That one's supposed to have the RSR, I believe. I gotta look. No, sorry. The shifter is supposed to be over here. Source is supposed to be here. These are the ins to that. It switches that. So, right now, if I pull on this ram, nothing. Got it? So, we got to fix that. We currently have the 12-volt supply jumpered because we don't have the switch yet. It's on its way. And that is the activation wire for the Promax. We have our Promax ready to rock and roll. Touch screens ready to go. It's all mounted up. We got all our ramps. Yep. Let's go back. We are currently reading 573 psi of nitrous pressure. And we will go ahead and just ground this here purge wire. -2. 0. There it is. Fuel pressure is at 20 psi. That is literally what is sitting in the pump getting shoved against the rail. So there's no feed right now. Speed, not going to read obviously. We do have the sensor setup. TPS. Throttle position sensor working. Doesn't go below 1.8. If I go any lower than that, sorry, it's negative. Really don't want it negative. I'd rather it come in, let's go negative, yeah, because then it'll come in a little later. Whatever, it works. Nope, other way. There we go, now we get watt. It's not as fine of an adjustment as I'd like, but it's there. The percent arm is 83% throttle minimum to arm the nitrous. The wideband's working, fuel pressure's working, nitrous pressure's working, RPM's working, speed sensor's on its way. We'll get that mounted up probably in the next couple of videos. There is no second nitrous pressure, no wideband 2. That's pretty much it, guys. So the Promax is functional, and we are set up on AFR mode. So it will adjust based on the wideband settings. That's the biggest thing. It's communicating, everything's working. The only thing, like I said, that is not hooked up right now is the shift box. We'll go ahead and get that done. I have the wiring chilling here that needs to be routed and run through the conduit for the air compressor. Same wiring we used last year. Other than that, guys, she's ready to chill and rock. So I've been just cleaning today. We're taking a lazy day. Tomorrow, I don't see us doing a whole heck of a lot. We got a few things on the way. I don't know what's going to arrive tomorrow, what's going to arrive the next day. Who knows? Something I didn't cover in the last video, we did get a 3/8 aluminum block bolted up with some spacers here, and that holds our Bosch 211 igniter. And it's just chilling under here. We got the wiring all nice and heat shrinked, except for one spot I missed in the overlap. That was my bad. Running around side to side where it needs to be. That's about all we got going on, guys. Thanks for watching the Ring of 57 YouTube channel, guys. Today has been just kind of a lazy day. I could have gotten a lot more knocked out, but I didn't. I really didn't. I needed a day to relax. I had to clean the house. I had to get groceries. All that good jazz that we haven't been able to do lately. So I'm going to go bake me some salmon and have a beautiful lazy evening in front of the TV. Hope you all have been enjoying your weekend. If you haven't noticed, the videos are one day offset. I've actually already recorded yesterday's video, and that'll be posting up here shortly. Thanks, guys.